Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share a product that's going to make your cleaning routine so much easier, especially if you're tired of vacuuming and mopping. I'm talking about the Tipdiy G90 robot vacuum and mop combo. And guess what? It's currently 30% off, so it's the perfect time to grab one. Stick around. I'm going to show you why this robot is a must-have for your home. Let's be real. Keeping your floors clean can feel like a never-ending chore, right? Whether it's dust, pet hair, or sticky spills, it's a lot to handle. And if you have hard floors, carpets, or both, you know how tricky it can be to keep everything spotless. That's where the Tipdiy G90 comes in. It's a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo that does the hard work for you, so you can sit back and relax. Now let me walk you through why this robot is so amazing. First off, it has 4200 PA suction power. Yes, you heard that right. That's enough to lift debris, pet hair, and even deep-seated dirt from carpets. And here's the best part. It also mops. It uses an electronic pumped water flow system to clean up spills and stains while it vacuums. How cool is that? It also has smart sensors that automatically avoid obstacles, switch cleaning modes, and even prevent falls downstairs. Plus, it recharges itself when the battery is low, so you don't have to worry about a thing. And here's something I love. You can customize your cleaning with the app, voice control, or remote. Set the mode, intensity, and cleaning schedule that works best for your home. Whether you want a quick spot clean or a full house deep clean, this robot has you covered. Oh, and it's perfect for large homes. With a high-capacity battery and a larger dustbin, it can handle extensive cleaning tasks without needing constant refills or recharges. All right, so here's the deal. If you're tired of spending hours vacuuming and mopping, or just want a smarter way to keep your floors spotless, the Tipdiy G90 is the answer. It's powerful, smart, and packed with features that make cleaning effortless. And right now, it's 30% off. That's an incredible deal for a robot vacuum and mop combo this advanced. I've left the link in the description below. If you're interested, just click the link. It'll take you straight to Amazon where you can check it out for yourself. And hey, if you do decide to grab one, it really helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So thank you in advance if you use my link. But honestly, even if you don't buy it, I highly recommend checking it out. It's one of those products that just makes life better. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you've tried the Tipdiy G90 or if you're thinking about getting one. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome product recommendations, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.